bottle.
Well, they've got some curves on them. We'll be kind.
Yeah, I really tortured it, and that's too bad. Let's get rid of that. We're gonna get rid of that one too. All right,
You don't want to play with him on Draw Something, that's for sure.
Alright, so this is kind of so you got this kind of funny base on here.
Okay, well that's kind of an iconic base really, isn't it?
Yeah. Alright, here's a gap on it.
Okay.
So let's switch colors. We'll get a different color. Something like that. And let's switch hands on here. I don't like that hand at all.
Okay.
That's what it is.
That sounds perfect. There we go.
Alright, I like that.
Glamorous.
Okay.
Lovely.
So, what did we do? We added a layer as well.
This is all very technical.
Yeah. Okay, so the first thing we did was we wanted to get the gesture of the bottle. Which means we brought up the shoulders a little bit.
Okay.
Made it a little bit taller.
So kind of gave us some 80s shoulder pads there.
Well, not really.
Well, okay.
Alright, made the neck a little bit higher. Made the base a little bit more refined, how it goes under like that. Okay, so what does that mean? If you actually look at the previous bottle, you try and grab this thing, you've got not a whole lot of neck. Right? You think these poor guys back there at the bar, they're pouring a lot of these things, they have to have something to hang on to. So we give them a little bit more neck to hang on to. We made it a little bit taller, brought the shoulders up, this is a little bit like this, right? You understand that? You know how it is when you see a friend, you know the friend, but you can tell by the way their shoulders are slung, you know, whether they're in a good mood or a bad mood, and then you say, ugh, maybe I just won't come up on that. We wanted to take an old friend, this one here, and give it that approach where you'd say, hey, that's cool. He's feeling good about himself today. So we added the shoulders a little bit higher, made the body itself a bit sleeker. Like I said in the book, 1 millimeter is all it takes.
Wow.
And then, you know, because you make it taller, you actually have to take something out too, because you know you can't just do that. You have to get rid of something. So we hollowed out the base. What does that mean? These are flat. It's kind of hard to grab. When you see the new one, you can put your thumb in there, just like a champagne bottle with water.
So it's functional as well.
Yeah, a little bit better, right? Then, of course, we went back in and looked at this famous trapezoidal label area, sank that in a little bit nicer, put the nice elliptical VSOP logo on it, and then we added one more thing, we put in relief, the famous Bazarme, that's that hand with the hatchet.
Yep. And so that's actually textured on the
Yeah, it's actually 3D. In the original, back in 1954, it was on the back.
Oh.
Kind of lost. So we put it on the front, changed all the labels, changed all that. And so at the end of the day, I think what we gave ourselves here was something which is a much more powerful bottle. It has a much more sense of dynamic, sense of strength. It's got this really nice hollowed out base. It's got a very strong sense of a label on it. You can pick it off from a mile away. It's got a really nice proportion to cap, level up there. At the end of the day, that's the new VS.
There you go. Art in motion, ladies and gentlemen. A big round of applause.